But look at this. Wow. It's crazy.
I say when they cut that tree down,
I'm gonna try and get these guys. Did you guys suffer any damage inside because of this?
What's that?
You guys suffer any damage?
Just emotional damage.
That's the worst. Emotionally, we're distraught.
Have you guys?
Shade, our beautiful shade tree.
It was a gorgeous tree. I've driven past it many times.
Backyard.
Wow.
Yeah, all the part that you see right here, and all that used to be over there.
Oh my God.
There were 2 cars that got crushed too.
2 cars got crushed over here?
Missed it. Right there was a Volvo station wagon.
There was one there. You can see the broken glass.
Hit the ground.
Yeah.
Hit the Volvo's roof. Wow. And then right there where that one like patch is, a really nice luxury SUV. The sunroof got shattered, the windshield got shattered, and the hood got caved in.
Wow.
That brand. Pretty brutal.
My car was crushed.
Exactly. Exactly. Thank you. You guys take care. So as you can see, folks in the neighborhood giving us a little overview. There was a luxury SUV vehicle right here that was crushed. Got a Volvo over there. You can see bits and shards of broken glass. We're going to pick this up from another part of Roscoe Village and into the Lakewood neighborhood. We'll be back.